Hello everyone! Recently, I bought a rugged phone. So now I'm going to transfer my data from my previous Samsung Mobile to this new rugged phone. As you all know, transferring data from one device to another can be quite a hassle, especially when you have a lot of apps. If I try to transfer each app one by one, it will take a lot of time. To make this process quicker, there is a software available in the market called Wondershare MobileTrans. With this software, you can easily transfer almost anything from one phone to another. Just connect both devices and you can perform the transfer very smoothly. So today, we'll see how this software actually works. On my PC, you can see the main interface of MobileTrans. It has several options: transfer, transfer and merge, drive transfer, WhatsApp transfer, phone to phone, phone to PC, app to app, and many more options. It also includes backup and restore, WhatsApp recovery, and under More, you'll find even more features. In the middle, you can see two phone icons, one for the source device and one for the destination device. The device you are transferring data from will be added as the source, and the device you are transferring data to will be added as the destination. For today's demonstration, we will transfer WhatsApp, because WhatsApp data is very important. First, we have to connect the source and destination phones. So I am connecting my Samsung Z Fold 4 with the PC using a USB-C cable. At the same time, I have also connected my Micromax WB8656. Both devices are now connected. However, the phones are not fully active yet because we need to unlock the devices and enable USB debugging. Once USB debugging is turned on, the software will detect them completely, and then we can start transferring data. You can easily find the USB debugging option in your phone's settings. But if for some reason you cannot find it, MobileTrans will show you exactly where the option is based on your phone's model and brand. In my device, I will go to System, Developer Options, scroll down, and turn on USB debugging. I will do the same thing on my Samsung phone as well. A pop-up may appear asking for permission. I will tap Allow. You can now see that both phones are fully connected. Now we will click on Start. After clicking Start, the data transfer process will begin. A pop-up is asking whether we want to take a backup. I won't take a backup, I'll just click Continue. You can see there are 5 steps in the process. The software also shows a reminder that the phone should not be locked during transfer, and it's better not to use the phone while the transfer is in progress. Otherwise, the process may get interrupted. So we will just wait. After a moment, the next pop-up appears asking us to turn off Google Drive backup and manually take a local backup from WhatsApp. So we will open WhatsApp, Settings, Chats, Chat Backup. Here, we will set Google Drive backup to Never and then tap Backup to create a local backup. Once that's done, we will click Next on MobileTrans. Now it's asking us to install WhatsApp on the new phone. So we will open the Play Store, search for WhatsApp, and install it. After installation, MobileTrans will automatically begin reinstalling the transferred data. Now it is asking us to log in, so we will log in with our WhatsApp number. It will then ask for a passkey. We will enter it. After that, it will request permission to access contacts. We will tap Continue and Allow. Now, in the Restore and Backup section, we will tap Continue. The actual restore process begins. You can see it is restoring a 5.2 GB backup file. Surprisingly, it completed in a very short time. We will tap Next. The app will go to the basic profile setup. On the PC screen as well, you can see the interface has changed, showing that the restore is complete. All the WhatsApp data from the old phone, contacts, chats, chat history, everything, has been restored to the new device. This software is extremely useful because transferring a 5 GB plus file through Google Drive backup would have taken hours, but MobileTrans completed it within minutes. And the good news is, Wondershare MobileTrans currently has a Black Friday sale going on. You can get up to 60% off. The yearly plan, which normally costs $60, is available for only $40. Their $40 monthly plan is available for $30. The $70 peripheral plan is now $50. They have many other tools as well, phone transforming tools and more, all available at up to 60% off. Just go to the link in the description, check out the deal, and you can purchase it from there. So that's it for today. Stay well. I'm signing off now. See you in the next video.